welcome everybody. This is Dan Herbert, 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product that is made by AiRROBO. I have in front of me here, this is the T25 Plus, the robot vacuum cleaner. This is a dual function for both vacuum and mop. Packed with the 5200 milliamp battery that's going to allow you to run up to 240 minutes, capable of covering 3,229 square feet. Plus, you get a app control functionality. This is going to give me the full functionality, and it's going to be able to calculate and set up a map for you. One of the features I like best, it comes with a remote control. So you can actually via remote control this thing and even do spot cleaning as well. When it comes to the functionality of this is going to give you a 3.5 liter capacity for a hands-free storage with self-cleaning. What does that actually mean? Well, this thing is going to be able to run and pack 60 days worth of debris. And you get two different brushes. You get a all-in-one full rubber, and we've got a dual function brush. So if you're looking for something to cover and suit all of your vacuuming floor needs, and as far as for the mop pad here, it is as simple as two little buttons right here on the sides. Comes right off. Magnet and a clip. We also have the dual container. So I've already ran this. It picks up all of my pet hair debris and everything flawlessly. Plus, you got removable cartridges on this, just so you guys can kind of see here. So cartridge filter number 1 and filter number 2. It also has your water container. So it's as simple as pulling this thing up right here, putting your floor cleaner in, sliding this back into place.
2-in-1 dustbin installed.
Let's get this thing into action. Now, one of the things that I want to highlight and point out about this device, it is equipped with an ultrasonic carpet inspection, and it's going to give you carpet grid cleaning as well as pet furniture deep cleaning. If you haven't noticed, my pets are not bothered by this robot as it's doing its job working around the room. The T25 has ultra strong 5,500 PA of suction. This thing is going to remove debris from the floors, the carpets, and automatically increases suction while working on carpets. That is awesome. With its combined dustbin and water tank, this robot gives you 3 modes. The first one is the vacuum, which the robot supports vacuuming only. It also gives you a mop only, and as well as what we call the simultaneous vacuum and mopping mode feature. Now, it will hold a total of 340 milliliters of debris, as well as 350 milliliters of your cleaning solution. Now, before I forget to mention, the ultrasonic carpet inspection, that means that this device supports carpet avoidance as well as carpet getting wet. So it's going to lift up the mop pad as it's changing between surfaces. That is an awesome feature, guys, because it's really going to keep your home clean, and it's going to do a very good job. Now, as we see the carpet cleaner, the T25, roaming right around my couch here, this thing is going to give a deep clean, and it's going to completely clean it evenly all around the surfaces and the side. But the part that I like best on this particular T25 is the fact that once it gets around my pets and the areas where they like to lay and play, this thing is going to adjust itself and provide an even deeper clean to make sure that it picks up all of the debris and sucks up all of the rubbish that was left behind by my fur babies. And last thing that I want to mention about this device is that it comes with the 2 different cleaning brushes. Now I mentioned that earlier in this video. Again, not only are you getting the full rubber brush, but you're also getting the nylon rubber brush. So it is a universal all-in-one, so that way you can get everything done no matter what obstacles you have inside your home. With its powerful app controls to the remote control, this thing is going to tackle all the events that you put in front of it. So if you're looking for an awesome product with dependability and performance to give you that peace of mind, you got to try this out for yourself. You are going to love it. I guarantee it.